Welcome back, guys. I'm Kolie, and I'm going to do another unboxing and a review for the Priestess of Light Oracle by Sandra and Kimberly Webber. As you can see, it shows that it's a 53 card deck of divination. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. And so let's see here. This is the front, and this is the back of the Oracle box. I will put the link to the in the description box below. Let's go ahead and open this. Okay, it has a little message there. You guys can see that. And this is the booklet. So I'll just kind of go through it a bit for a second. And then I'll jump right into the deck. So this is a pretty brown box. And it has a picture of her in the box. Take this off. And this is the sides, the front, which is beautiful. This is the deck. As far as the card, it's a matte finish, which I like. They're not too thin or not too thick, or it's just, I would say it's doable. Definitely doable. And this is the first one. A portal, so they're numbered. And it has a little meaning at the bottom. Courage. And that's beautiful. I like that the lion is right there with her on top. Calming the waters. Summoning power. That's beautiful. I like the, those are, it looks like they're wolves, could be. Clarity. Angelic assistance. Divine feminine. That's pretty. Is that? Okay, so I'm not sure what that is there at the top, but it looks like another face right there. Like could be like a mummy or mummy face, but like ashes. Mummy ashes, I would say, something like that. Divine masculine. Tenderness. That's a beautiful giraffe. So beautiful. Sacred breath and sound. That's pretty. Opening heart. Touching earth. Love the colors as always. Precognition. Friendship. Deep emotions. I love this one, the twin flames. That is beautiful. Yes. Sacred action. Isn't that gorgeous? I love how they put the lion and the tiger from the other one. as well at the top. Bright heart light. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful green. Death and rebirth. That's really beautiful. I love that. Innovation. Guide. Telepathy. That's pretty. Shamanic journey. That's gorgeous. I love the clouds in the back. That's real pretty. Adjustment. Go with the flow. Earth magic. Healing the heart. I love that. It's beautiful. I'm not sure what's the circles around her, or is that part of her horns? Not sure. Abundance. She's very beautiful. That is beautiful. Wisdom. Is that someone in the background? Looks like it. Someone's behind her. Setting boundaries. Oh, that's lovely too. Hostilities. It's like an Egyptian type of feel to this deck. Power over difficulty. Building your world. Lost lack. The little owl there. Clairvoyant. Duality. I like the colors in this one as well. Looks like it has a little blue in the background there with the green. Divine Mother. Sensuality. Miracles. Balance. Circle of eternal joy. That's beautiful. I love the colors in the background. That's really beautiful. Wings of light. Sacred purpose. Harvest. And I love Sandraannetaylor's decks. She always has some beautiful decks. Brilliant beliefs. That's pretty. Healing earth. Those beautiful colors again. I love that. Especially at the top. A river of blessings. Beautiful. Look at that tiger in the back of her. Just so beautiful. Idyllic times. Idyllic times. Oh, that's pretty too. Achievement. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that, you guys. That is pretty. Sacred gratitude. They're kind of sticking together. Grateful optimism. Hiding knowledge. And soul radiance. And so I'm going to see how they shuffle. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I like the way they shuffle. Shuffle just nice. Shuffle soft. I'm going to pull a card for us as a collective. Earth magic. There we go. And so here's the deck. I'm sorry, the book. And let's see what's in the book. Let's see. The meanings of the cards. Introduction. Yeah. About the cards. Let there be light. Reading the cards. Preparing for a reading. Card layout. Asking the right questions. 3-card spread. 7-card cross. The 9-card spread. The energy circle. In the road spread. The meanings of the cards. I guess that starts there. So let's find this one, which is 26. This one doesn't have like little pictures or anything. It's pretty much an oracle deck, so most of them don't have the pictures in them. Let's see, 26. Not gonna read much, just a little bit of it. As you guys can see, you can also read that as well. The energy of this priestess of the horse brings movement and magic into your life. The horse, a creature of power, has long represented freedom. This card signals that the time is right for you to free yourself of the obstacles blocking your movement forward. So I just want to read just a little snippet, but you guys can go forward with that if you want to see that. So basically it's fearlessness, removing obstacles. So that's pretty much, if you guys have any obstacles you need to remove, you need to be fearless about removing those and move forward. So there we go. We'll just kind of see what's in the back. About the artist. And there's Sandra. And so that's about it in the book, but that's the booklet. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and let me know in the comments if you like the deck, and I'll see you later.